Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Enphase EV charger integration using Enlighten app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Enlighten app on your device. Log in using your Enphase account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the section labeled EV charger integration. Tap on the option to connect your EV charger. You will see a prompt to enter your EV charger details. Input the required information, including the charger's serial number. Confirm that the charger is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. After entering the details, click on the Authorize button. You may be prompted to accept the integration terms. Review the terms carefully, then proceed to accept. The app will begin the authorization process. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once authorization is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your app for the updated status of your EV charger. Make sure the charger is now displayed in your list of connected devices. You have successfully integrated your Enphase EV charger. Return to the main dashboard to monitor your charger's status. Enjoy the benefits of managing your EV charger through the Enlighten app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.